So hello and welcome to my channel, and today I'm working with Lola's lashes. Magnetic eyelashes. Never tried these before. One of you subscribers a while back said to give them a go, not necessarily this brand, but to try some magnetic lashes. So I saw these on Instagram, reached out to them and said, would you like to work together on a video for my YouTube channel? It's not a paid collaboration, it's just very kindly gifted. So if you'd like to see how I achieved this lovely look, please keep watching. Anna Louise, who's the lady I dealt with, she said, what sort of style of lash do you want? And I said something quite natural, because I have got quite long eyelashes anyway. I haven't got any mascara on the top lashes at the moment, just so you can see exactly how these work. So yeah, she said, I think the Jade kit would do well. So they do all sorts of lashes, big long ones, fluffy, more natural, whatever you want, they've virtually got. So let's have a little look in the pack. Beautiful packaging. The box is absolutely lovely. So let's have a little look what we've got in here. Okay, so you get directions, how to use them, and then you've got the actual lashes, the liquid eyeliner, which you use to put the lashes on with. It's what they sort of connect to. And then you've also got there a cleaning oil to clean the lashes so you can use them again. So let's get some of this out of the box. Right, so this packaging, I love it. So it's in a little pull-out drawer, love it. If you're not familiar with these, which I wasn't, I didn't quite know how it worked. I obviously thought, yeah, it's got some sort of magnetic somewhere along the line. So the actual lashes have got little magnets on them, if you can see that hopefully, and then the eyeliner that you put on has got something that the magnets then stick to. Right, so as you can see, mine, I've gone for something, as I said, quite natural. So let's have a go at putting these on. So let's have a little look at the directions. It says to start with to make sure your eyelids are clean and free from any oil. For best results, apply a dot of oil-free primer on both eyelids before application. Alternatively, you can use an eyeshadow as a base. So I haven't got any eyeshadow on at all, but what I'm going to pop on is a little bit of this eyeshadow primer. So I'm just going to pop a bit of that on my lids just to make sure they are oil-free and nice and dry. Okay, so that's blended in and dried. You can just see the sort of little white line where I've put it on. So next up, I'm going to apply the magnetic liquid eyeliner. Again, lovely packaging. This would make such a nice gift for someone. Absolutely lovely. Right, so I'm just going to have to do it in this mirror here so I can see what I'm doing. So I'm not used to applying liquid eyeliner, so wish me luck. Okay, so that's lid 1, not too bad. Lid number 2. Okay, so that's the liner on, not too bad considering I'm not used to doing it. Right, so let's get the actual lashes on. So they come in just a little holder and they are already on the little magnets. So this is where, because they're reusable, this is where you would keep them once you've cleaned them off. And can you see that magnet there? It just sort of clips back on. So it says you can trim them down if they're too long, so you just do them from the outer ends, but I'm going to try, because these are quite natural, not too long, I'm hoping they might just fit. So I'm going to try to start with these. If not, I might just go on to using my fingers, but let's have a look. So they are pretty similar length on the outsides each side, so I don't think it matters which eye it goes on. So let's start with this one. Oh my goodness. As simple as that. Oh wow. I can't believe that. That is honestly the first take. I've not had to mess around with that. They've gone on straight away. Fantastic. So what I will say is you do need to make sure that you've got enough liner across the lid so it can adhere to the whole eye, rather than, I tend to wear eyeliner just to the corner of my eye. But on this, the magnets need enough liner for it to attach to. So I'll just give you a little close-up look there. Let's try number 2. Now, one thing I will say about using tweezers to do it, you've got to be careful because the magnet does get stuck on the metal, so you need to make sure you're well onto the little hairs. And there's lash number 2 as well. Wow, how easy was that? I can't believe it. Great thing about these as well, rather than when you use lashes with glue, you can move these about because they're not sticking. If you want to move them or tweak them either way, or once you've got them on, they're too big, you can take them off and trim them down. The little magnets just come off very easily, and you can just move them around your eyelid. Now what I'm going to do, because I normally wear mascara a little bit heavier than this, I'm just going to blend them in with a bit of normal mascara. Absolutely loving this. I got this one as a sample. It's a Bobbi Brown mascara. It's wonderful. So I'm just going to blend mine in a little bit. So that's them on. I can't believe how easy that was. Unbelievable. Yeah, so there they are, and I'll give them a little flutter around. They're not falling off. Wow. So I was actually gifted the full set, so the lashes, the liner, and then the cleansing oil, which helps to get rid of the eyeliner. That was £35. I'll just pop a couple of pictures in now so you can see some of the other kits. And then if you just want to buy the lashes once you've got the liner and the oil, the plain strip lashes are between about £15 and £20. And they're reusable so many times. I mean, I can't see how, unless one of the magnets falls off, I'm going to get a lot of uses out of these. So yeah, absolutely chuffed with those. So thanks once again to Lola's Lashes for gifting me these beautiful Jade lashes. That's the ones I've got. I'll put all the links down in the description box below to their website, their Instagram account, and I'll put the link to the actual lashes that I've tried. So if you're interested in giving them a go, let me know down below how you get on with them, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.